My name is Cameron Fenton, and I'm from the Bachelor of Illustration program.
I am CODY PELACEK, and I'm a third year at Sheridan's illustration program.
My name is GURSIMAR ANAND, and I'm in the BBA Marketing Co-op program.
My business venture's name is FENTON Concepts.
I'm the co-founder of Hazard Skateboard.
The name of my venture is Celebration Season.
I heard about Co-op on the Edge through my co-op advisors. It was briefly touched on in one of our co-op classes.
I guess I just liked the idea of being able to build something with mentors and advice and help, have a community of people around me. That was really exciting.
I thought this would be the best opportunity to maximize the potential when it came to working on my own business while also meeting my co-op requirements.